Good morning, students. In today's class, we'll discuss about the cyclic chain of carbon. Okay, and we also discuss about the ray diagram. This one is very important topic. We're going to discuss. In the last class, we discussed that the carbon can form a long carbon chain. We discussed about the different types of carbon chain like open chain, closed chain, open chain with branch, without branch, closed chain with branch, without branch. Here we discuss about the ring or the cyclic form of carbon chain. Here it is, cyclic form of carbon chain, cyclic form of carbon chain. Now the cyclic form is cyclic like this one. Suppose there is actually this one is a closed chain, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Suppose we are taking this, or we are taking this one. 1, 2, 3. This three carbon atom are connected in cyclic form, okay, to each other. This one is a closed chain. Now if you fill this carbon chain by hydrogen, then you have to put 2 here. 1, 2, 2. Okay, 1, 2. So I have to put 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen. So in case of this CH2, CH2, CH2. If we take this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms they are in cyclic form. Okay. So where CH2, 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 CH2. CH2, CH2. In your NCERT book, this hydrogen is given like this one, CH2. Both are same. You can draw like this one, or you can directly put CH2. Okay, no problem. So here, this compound is a cyclic compound, cyclo compound. So while writing the name of this types of compound, first we have to write there is cyclo. Okay. As the prefix of the name of this types of compound, how to write the name of this types of compounds we will discuss about it later. We will learn how to write the name of this compound also. So here just you have to remember this. This one is a cyclic chain of carbon. So obviously the compound this type while writing the name of this compound, we have to mention that these are the cyclo compound. Okay, means cyclo then the name of this compound. Okay, so we have to write like this form. First cyclo, then after that the name of that compound. We'll discuss about it after 1 or 2 classes that how to write the name of these types of compounds or any other carbon compounds. Right? So here these are the examples of cyclic compound. Right? Now, if we take the example of this compound, so suppose the question is like that. The formula is C4H8. Okay. Draw a cyclic compound having this formula. Draw a cyclic compound having this formula. So what you have to do? C4, 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cyclic compound is given. So like this. Then after that you have to fill it by hydrogen. Fine. Now I am giving you one question. Draw the structure. Draw the structure of a carbon compound having draw a cyclic carbon compound. Cyclic. Okay, please correction here. There is cyclic CYCl compound having formula C6H12 and C5H10. Okay, that's it. One more. Here I am giving you this example. There is C4H8. That is how you have to do this. There is one is a cyclic compound. Okay, cyclic means you have to draw the ring. Then after that you have to fill the chain by using hydrogen. Okay, I think now it is clear. Next, here we also here we will discuss about this compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 6 carbon. They are in cyclic form. Now, if we put alternative double bond, means double bond here. After that, we will not put double bond here. We will put double bond in between these two carbon. Not here, no, in between these two carbon. Okay. Now, if we fill the carbon chain by using hydrogen, there is 1, 2, 3. So we have to put one hydrogen here. In case of this one hydrogen, in case of this one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here also one hydrogen. Okay. Now, what is the name of this compound? You have to remember that the name of this compound is benzene. Okay. The name of this compound is benzene. Yeah. So remember this. Just try to remember the name of this compound. Having the formula C6H6. Okay. C6H6. Okay. Ready? Proceed for the next. Now, in a carbon chain where the hydrogen and carbon is present, that is also known as a hydrocarbon. In this carbon chain, if one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by any other element means except hydrogen and any other group of elements, suppose where the hydrogen may be present, and if one or more hydrogen of a carbon chain is replaced by any other element or group of elements, then what will happen? It will form another compound having a different properties. This type of other element or this type of group of elements are called functional group. So here we will discuss about functional group. Functional group. After that we will discuss about the ray diagram. I forgot to include it here. Functional group is the group of atoms or an element. A single element may be a functional group. Two or more atoms can combine to form the functional group. And this types of groups, when present within a compound, it provides a different character to that compound, a specific character. Okay, these types of groups are called the functional group. So let us discuss about it. Suppose a carbon chain is like this. Here it is CH3, CH3. Okay, CH3, CH3. Here two carbon are connected directly with 3 hydrogen each. Okay. Now, if any one hydrogen is replaced by any other element, suppose chlorine. Okay, any other element, suppose chlorine. Then what will happen? This will form a different compound. Okay, it will form a different compound. Here, this chlorine, it is not hydrogen, it is different from hydrogen. So it is different from hydrogen, and it is also called a heteroatom. This heteroatom provides a different character to this compound. So these types of compounds are called what they are called? They are called functional group. So where chlorine is a functional group, right? Remember this. Suppose this hydrogen, one of the hydrogen is displaced by OH, displaced by OH, then this compound is called alcohol. So OH is the functional group of alcohol. Okay, this component show the character of alcohol. So this OH is the functional group of alcohol. Now I think it is clear that the element or group of element which provide a specific character to the compound. Okay. Okay. So this types of this group, one element or group of elements which provide the specific character to the compound, then it will form. It will show the different character, and this group of atoms is called functional group. Clear? So I am just giving you the general idea about the functional group here. In the next classes and later we will discuss about it in details. Okay? That's the general idea of functional group. So remember this one. Let it proceed towards the ray diagram. Okay. Ray diagram. Ray diagram is like this one. How to draw ray diagram and how to identify how to write the formula or structure of the ray diagram is given. Okay. Suppose it is given, we can write CH3 single bond CH3. Okay. We can write this carbon chain. Now this carbon chain contains two carbon. So we are just representing this two carbon by giving two dots. Now if we connect these two dots by single bond, as they are connected by single bond here, so this one is the ray diagram of CH3 single bond CH3. So it will be this line, it will be the ray diagram of CH3 single bond CH3. Now suppose we have three carbons, like a formula CH3 CH2 CH3. Here three carbon atoms are there. So if we draw this line, you will not be able to understand that this one more point is here. That's why we are writing like this. One dot here, another dot here, and another dot. So it represents that two lines are present here, like this and this. Now is it clear? So we have 1, 2, 3 carbons. Okay. We are not writing here carbon, we are not representing the element, we are just representing the line. Line means the bond. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I think it is clear that how to draw this structure. Okay. Now I am doing something different here. Okay. You have to write the structure formula here. Just check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are connected by single bond. Now fill by hydrogen CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Clear? Suppose it is like this. Double bond is here. Okay. So what you have to do? Here, this one is 1 point. Okay. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. In between 1 and 2, there is a double bond. Okay. The another one is single bond. So it will be CH2, CH, CH. I think now it is clear. Now it is clear. So let me proceed for the next one. So here is the double bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can put the number here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So double bond is there in between 2 and 3. That's double bond. Fine, now fill by hydrogen CH3, CH, CH. That is a ray diagram. Clear? Suppose here it is given cyclic compound. Suppose cyclic compound is given like this one. As the box, as the triangle. Don't think that this one is always a triangle. Okay, that's the ray diagram of a compound. Suppose this one. Okay, this one. So how to identify the formula or how to draw the structure? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is in cyclic form. Then after that you have to fill it by hydrogen CH2, 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 CH2. And same for that one. There is 1, 2, 3 carbon. So carbon, carbon, carbon. Connect them by single bond. CH2, CH2, CH2. Fine. And this one is a form of fine. So learn up to this. In the next class, we'll discuss about homologous series, and it will be the very important topic for this chapter. तो इतना तक पढ़ाई करें. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग बाकी टॉपिक के बारे में और भी स्टडी करेंगे. थैंक यू.